Hey, so today I'm going to show you how we make our healthy fried rice, and we're going to do it here on our flat top grill out here on our patio. Fried rice typically is not something that's going to be thought of as healthy, but we do have a couple tweaks and changes that we're going to throw in to make it healthier. Again, this is going to be something that you're going to use as a cheat or a maintenance meal. This is not going to be something that's keto compliant or low calorie or anything like that, but we are going to try to make it a little more healthy than traditional fried rice. All right, let's do it. All right, so the very first thing that we need to do, or that I do, is prep the grill, obviously. And what I like to do is just kind of get the burners on high, let them set for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. You know, get the top nice and hot, and then we're just going to dump water all over it. And we're just going to scrape all of the excess from the last time we grilled back to the back. We just scrape all of this back. Scrape it all to the side, and then these grills have, what's nice about them is they have these little ports where you can just kind of dump everything in, all the you know, the excess from last time that we used the grill. We're just going to scrape all that into the little port here. And that's basically all you need to do for prep, is scrape all that away, and then we're ready to go. So now what I'll do is I'll turn the heat down to medium on all of the burners, and now we're going to throw in some oil. And for those of you that are interested and that want to have a drink along the way, I do have our keto mojito. If you want to learn how to make this a keto-friendly mojito, it's really, really good. It's a great summer drink. Click up on that I button up in the corner right there, and I'll show you how to make this keto mojito. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to throw on the oil. All right, so don't mind Benjamin over here in the corner. Wave, Benjamin. He's just my assistant. He'll be helping out. Let's go through ingredients first. So obviously we're going to need rice. We pre-steamed this rice, so we're going to need that, obviously. We are going to be using just a little bit of butter. 2 eggs are going to be required. Peas and carrots always go well with fried rice. And then one of our secret ingredients here, instead of soy sauce, we're going to use this Bragg's liquid aminos. It's going to give you essential and non-essential amino acids that you wouldn't get typically with soy sauce. We're going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder as well. All right, so first step here is, Ben, you hold the eggs. Very good job. We are going to just give it another little squirt of oil, and we're going to throw on our rice. And that is going to start cooking, and we're going to give it just a few minutes to cook up here before we do anything. We're just going to kind of let it sit. Okay, so it's been cooking here for about 2 minutes. What we're going to do is just add 2 little pads of butter right there on top. And we're just going to kind of let that melt down for a second, and then we're going to mix everything up. Okay, so that butter is just starting to melt, so we're just going to kind of turn this over here and just kind of mix it all up. And then at the same time that this is all cooking down, we're going to throw on our peas and carrots over to the side. There we go, and we're just gonna kind of let that sit for another couple minutes. All right, so now it's time to throw on the egg. So Benjamin, 1 egg.
I do not like the small egg.
Egg number 2. And that one, I've lost a little bit.
Yeah, that one's splattered.
And that'll be okay. Okay, so we're improvising a little bit because we got half an egg here. So we're going to flip both half eggs. We're just going to mix up the veggies a little bit. Just try to get them cooked evenly. And we're going to mix up the rice a little bit. We're almost ready to kind of mix everything together here. Now, from here, we are going to throw on, again, we're using Bragg's liquid aminos instead of soy sauce, so we're going to throw that onto the rice. And we're also going to season the rice, garlic powder first. And we're also going to use some pepper. And now let's chop up that egg a little bit.
Stuffing in the egg.
And we'll mix up the vegetables just a little bit more. We are almost ready to start throwing things together. All right, so let's start throwing everything together. Again, this has been cooking on its own for maybe another 3 minutes. So we're just gonna kind of mix everything all together now. And you wanna get it all mixed up here. The egg, the veggies, the rice. That's what makes it fried rice, of course, is because we've got all the ingredients all together here. It's looking good, it's smelling good. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna let this sit right here on the grill for maybe another 3 minutes, and then it should be ready to go. All right, so about 3 minutes later, we are ready to take everything off and show you the finished product. It's smelling good, it's looking good. So again, this isn't going to be, keto friendly. This isn't going to be the most low calorie, but we did make it a little healthier. We went a little lighter on the butter. We did use the Bragg's liquid aminos because we want to get those essential and non-essential amino acids we typically wouldn't with soy sauce. So we are making this a little healthier. Again, here is the finished product. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel for more. Again, I'm doing healthy bar videos as well as healthy cooking videos and some lifestyle videos.